Hello, I'm Paul Egan, the Vice President of Sales and Marketing for GP Acoustics, the North American distributor for musical fidelity products. This is an online exclusive video for Audio Advisor. Today I'm going to talk to you about the A1 integrated amplifier. For those of you that are familiar with musical fidelity, that name should strike a chord with you. The original A1 back in the mid-1980s was the product that put musical fidelity on the map. Hundreds of thousands of these integrated amplifiers were sold, and it really set a very high standard that in many cases has not been equaled when it came out for high quality music reproduction, ultra high fidelity at an affordable price. We've updated the product. The cosmetics are the same as the original A1. We couldn't violate that tenet. The new one also features, like the predecessor, a pure Class A analog audio circuit, which gives you extraordinarily high resolution and musical accuracy. The bass is very tight, very dynamic. The mid-range is gorgeous, and the highs are silky smooth. Many of you know what a Class A circuit is. You know that it's an extraordinarily expensive circuit to design properly and to execute, but we think the extras are worth it. Updating from the original model, it's 36 watts of pure Class A power versus the original 30. We have on the front of the panel an LCD which gives you the status of input and volume. We're using now a state-of-the-art electronic volume control versus an older knob. Knobs we're all familiar with and everyone knows how to use that. The benefit of this control is at very low levels as well as very high levels, it remains very linear. Channel separation stays nice and wide. So over the full operating range, it performs with greater tracking accuracy. We feature a fully featured remote control. It has 4 inputs. It also has a very interesting feature called a USB input. Not limited to using this as strictly a traditional 2-channel analog product. If you were serving music off a media system or even an iPod, and you wanted to have the best possible sound quality available to you in 21st century mediums, Windows Media or what have you, this product also has a full DA converter built in, so you can take the USB output of any computer, go directly into it, it handshakes, and you've got fantastic sound, whether it's for Rhapsody, DAB radio, or what have you. It also features a really high quality moving magnet phono input. And last but certainly not least, it features a home theater bypass. This allows you to integrate this integrated with an existing high-end home theater system. The fall down, as often as not, with home theater is it's wonderful for 5-channel AV reproduction, but in terms of really ultimate fidelity audio, the receivers don't always have 2 channels best interests at hand. So if your receiver has a line in and a line out for the left and right channels, you can go out of this into the receiver, out of the receiver into this, and when you're using this in 2-channel mode, you bypass all the receiver and you're able to operate this thing. So you're able to integrate it into a 5-channel system and use this for the front 2 channels if you like. It's a great feature. It allows you to have one main system as opposed to 2 systems, an audio and an audio video system. Here's that home theater feature I was talking about. With the switch in this position, in the auxiliary position, this input is a strict auxiliary input. However, when I switch this over here, it becomes a loop. You've got your output here and your input here, thus creating a loop from the receiver, bypassing the volume on the receiver and using the volume here. So it's a terrific feature, and it gives you ultimate flexibility for audio and audio video. You know, obsolescence is a concern that many people have with audio components. This little feature alone, the USB input, ensures that this product will be relevant in decades to come. Quite simply, it has a high-resolution 24-bit DAC behind here, and if you're streaming your music off of a hard drive from your computer or any online media, you go out of that USB output of your computer into here, no setup required. It quickly handshakes, and you've got state-of-the-art 24-bit DA conversion from all your upstream digital media. It's a terrific feature and it sounds great. This has been an exclusive online video for Audio Advisor featuring the Musical Fidelity A1 integrated amplifier.